decompiling a .NET application and found a resource file you need to inspect. These are resource files used by .NET assemblies for embedded strings and assets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and extract content from these .NET embedded resource files. Pro tip: for resource files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. Users encounter resource files when working with .NET applications, as they store localized strings, images, and other embedded objects. The primary user intent is to view, edit, or extract these assets for software development, internationalization, or application modification, often within the Visual Studio environment. This is a binary file format designed by Microsoft for efficient resource management in .NET assemblies. It uses a hub-and-spoke model for localization, allowing developers to compile culture-specific resources into satellite assemblies without altering the main application code, streamlining the internationalization and maintenance process. This proprietary format is best opened by Visual Studio from Microsoft for the resource type. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows shows the plain text, while interpreting commands requires a scripting framework. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the resource file and choose Open With. If Visual Studio is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the resource file won't open, don't panic. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact resource error. First, viewing with ILSpy. Install ILSpy, a free .NET decompiler and assembly browser. Open the parent assembly DLL or .exe that contains the resource file. ILSpy displays embedded resources in a tree view, allowing you to browse, extract, and view individual resource entries with their values and types. Next, extracting with resx tools. Use resx Resource Reader from the .NET Framework or Visual Studio's Resource Editor to read resource files programmatically. Convert to resx XML format using the resgen.exe tool, which is included with Visual Studio and the .NET SDK, by running resgen input.resourceoutput.resx for human-readable inspection. Finally, editing in Visual Studio. Open resx files, the editable XML companion to resource files in Visual Studio. The IDE provides a graphical resource editor for adding, modifying, and removing resource entries. Build the project to compile resx into resource format, which is then embedded into the final assembly during compilation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.